What's up, YouTube? All right, so I am on my way to Arlington to go hang out with Alfredo at the shop. He's working on an LS4 Impala. I mean, y'all might know this person. This person is on some older videos from back when I had my Impala days. I'm not gonna speak of the person. I'm not really friends with that person anymore. Yeah, so he's gonna be putting in a transmission. I'm gonna be trying to mill down the LT2, try to make it fit my DI engine. So yeah, we're on our way to do that. Then I also got to go tear down a 6.0 that has an iron block. Like, dude got cheated out of the car, out of the engine. I mean, it still looks to see the V8 6.0 still in there, but they put like a LY6 in his car. And you know, if you know what that is, it's an iron 6.0, it's a Gen 3 motor. So, but they just put the rectangular port heads back on there because I think those were cathedral port heads until a certain time, and then became an LQ9, which is, I think it's the Gen 4 engine. Don't get me wrong on that. I'm not really good with the truck engine, but it is what it is. Tear it apart. We're gonna have a 6.2 built for him. So. Got my tools, got my sockets over there, got my Dremel for the intake manifold. So let's get to it. I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. That motherfucker ugly. But for y'all that don't know, that's Alfredo. He a punk. He don't never want to work on people's shit and make extra money. But now he's working on that car I told y'all he was working on. And hopefully Alfredo can put my bushings in. We'll see. Cause I hooked him up big time. Even though he got a whatever.
For once, motherfucker.
Whatever. Bro, we got that friendship that keeps giving, bro. What are you talking about?
What?
And we got the friendship that keeps giving. Like, bro, up here.
It's just been one way for a while.
Every time you call, I answer. But let him finish up on this damn thing. Front wheel drive cars suck. It's hard to line shit up on. Watch, he gonna strip out a boat, right?
Man, you would put this shit on.
Come on, brother. Come on, brother. The mechanics in its natural habitat when he gets pissed off because we don't know why something is not working. Brother, I'm talking bull crap. Talking about how you're in your natural habitat and you can't figure out why something ain't working. How something is not working, how you try to figure out why it's doing what it's doing. Yeah, this rack is weird. I don't want to sit in where it needs to sit in. Just FYI, LS4 cars suck to drive and work on. I don't know what the oil shouldn't be by the oil filter. I mean the air filter. I don't see oil there, but bro, where the air filter at? Holy shit. That is no bueno. I'm taking a break, but we got the damn thing back together. Basically, just gotta finish the top end part of this damn thing, and then it's done. The hard part's done. Drinking that dew, the goddamn dew. And then of course, over there in the corner, what I'm drinking. Oh wait, come on, focus. Who loves orange soda? London does. Epic fail. Hit the lock button, shit.
Make sure those trans lines are all the way in.
Go ahead. Well, you need to get in it.
We'll make sure they're all the way in before I crank it up. Make it gonna sound like it's low up.
Oh.
Man, turn your phone off.
I edited it. Going for the test ride. Y'all should see the inside of this thing. My boy put that brand new rebuilt transmission in that thing. So since that's done, hopefully the lines or nothing pop off, because one of the coolant lines, no, one of the radiator lines was leaking just a little bit from the radiator. So it needs a radiator. So hopefully now we can work on my bushings for my control arms. Hold on, so I can show you why we need to work on them. Okay. Alright. That cambered. That is very cambered. Man, y'all may not be able to tell, but yeah, there you go, right there. Right there. So, we gotta put the new bushings in. Let me see if it's over here. I don't know. I know I put the bushings up here last time. I don't know what he did with them. But yeah, so gotta put the bushings into my control arms. Where they are, I have no idea. It's just a bunch of shit that he needs to go through. But yeah, so let me get out the, oh, there they go. There go my control arms. I just gotta paint them now, because the guy that had them, I don't know what his truck been through, but it's been through some shit. So yep, then all I gotta do, grease them up, slap them in, put them on the truck, and put them on the alignment rack over there, and it should be good to go. So the power steering rack leaks. It looks pretty damn bad. Should have seen the puddle we just had. And then, wait, where's it at? There we go, right there. So the things that it just came apart, and I guess it kind of, when it was moving, it probably just tried to move farther and it broke through it. But I mean, just one of those things. It needs a lot of parts, a lot of parts. But oh, there we go. It needs a lot of parts, a lot of bushings, a lot of everything, man. Yeah. But it's done. It runs. He just drove it. I mean, the tires are dry riding. Look, it's separating right there. The bead is separating right here. Bro, look at this.
That's a big flag.
Bro, I have never seen that, bro. Even when I worked at Discount Tire for 3 years, bro, never seen that. These are burnout tires, and that's it. But it's done. Oil leak though. Bum 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 bum. My damn bushings. My damn bushings. Bum 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 bum. Oh! Bro, too bad I didn't have the camera up in time, fool. That would have been really fun to catch on there.
Hold that on that one.
Here. Get that bushing.
Hey, this goes to the back, bro.
Bro, look at the instructions I sent you. Weigh. Because it's just one goes in, right?
Hell no, that's easy.
Can't just hit everything with a hammer.
Oh, I wish I could. You're gonna have to press that bitch.
Yeah, because you're already denting in my push.
Fuck your push.
Yeah, fuck you too.
Maybe I should leave a gap on that one.
Yeah.
Just in case. Let me see that picture again.
But yeah, for you guys with the Belltech kit, I have to get the part number for it. It's in one of my other videos, but you guys with the Belltech kit that's got the 3-inch drop up front, I just bought another set of control arms, but we're putting these bushings. He pushed out the old bushings, so now we're putting these bushings in, and there are actual directions to this, and we should have paid attention to that the first time. But we're gonna make sure we do this one right, and that's the side that's gotta have the gap, Fredo. Man with the plan. Lube that shit up. You got to lick it before you stick it. Remember that, Fredo.
Stupid.
Especially if you put it in hole number 2. I'm talking about your second gas tank on trucks. You know, some of them's got that switch tank.
Yeah.
So it's gonna do this little weird squishy thing because it's got to put pressure on the actual bushing. So the rubber is gonna press out, but then it's gonna start going down. Gotta give the people what they want. How much was it?
Is it a 1/4 inch? Yeah, this thing's off. Just fucking measurements in it. Can't even see it.
So would that affect the alignment if it's not a 1/4 inch?
No, he's not gonna be able to get the control arm in.
Oh yeah, because it's gonna be too tight to slide in, right?
It's not gonna line up. That's gonna be too tight. Quarter, man, this fucking thing's all fucked up. I guess I could go from that line. Go from that line. Go down on the press.
How many?
Just a little bit.
Did it go down?
Oh, keep going.
What you thinking?
Just a tad bit. That's probably good. That's about a quarter. Right? From there to there. Now a little bit more. Hard to tell. That's probably fine.
That should be good right there. Silverado got mad at me, and I this motherfucking pyromaniac. Bro, Ryan is a fucking pyro too. All right, guys, don't mind the alcohol over there. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm editing videos. Didn't do an outro for this video, so I'm doing it now. Okay, so basically, this episode was working on one of my ex-friends, Impala, but Alfredo was getting paid for it. But Alfredo always helps me, so I help him put it back in there. What else? Oh yeah, so we put the bushings in, and now that I think about it, this is also months later. So I'm sorry for delay and all that stuff. Whatever, y'all getting the content now, but. Something that I did think about when we was putting the bushes in, you saw how the bushing was squishing, right? I'm wondering if, because we can never get the thing aligned correctly. It's still, that driver still has that really bad camber in it. It was like we didn't even put those off-center bushings in. But, so I'm thinking maybe we pressed one in too far, because the bushing was still squished as the press was sitting on top of it. But it didn't work. It might work on somebody else's car or truck. Didn't work on mine. So got another video coming about that, and that's gonna be one of the most recent ones. But yeah, like, share, subscribe, tell all your friends, and the footage will get better throughout the time, because this is like August 8th or 9th or something like that. So this is right after Jasmine. This is the weekend after Whip Fest, after Jasmine bought the car. So like I said, once we get into the new year, footage will get much better. I'm gonna take my time. I'm gonna upload, when it's done, whatever event or whatever we're doing, I'm gonna upload it then. So we'll talk about that later. Holla at y'all.